Imagine yourself in this 2014 Nissan Armada Sievert. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include leather steering wheel, third-row seat, engine immobilizer, driver vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, driver airbag, and cruise control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.